This is the lead screw torque and force calculator, which determines the driving torque and system efficiency for lead screw mechanisms. Let's go through each input field. First, enter the lead in millimeters. This is the linear distance the screw advances per revolution. Next is the load force in newtons, the axial force applied to the screw. Then input the screw diameter in millimeters, the major diameter of your lead screw. Finally, the friction coefficient, typically between 0.1 and 0.3 depending on your materials and lubrication. For this demonstration, I'll use 0.15. Now for our worked example, I'm entering a lead of 10 millimeters, a load force of 10 newtons, a screw diameter of 10 millimeters, and keeping the friction coefficient at 0.15. After clicking Calculate Torque and Efficiency, we get our results. The driving torque is 0.02 Newton meters. This is the rotational torque needed at the input to drive your load. The system efficiency shows 100.0%, indicating how much of your input power is converted to useful work output. This calculator helps engineers quickly size motors and optimize lead screw designs. Find the link in the description below.